Today we're here to talk about fresh strawberries along with the chocolate fondue. I've used the rich dark chocolate fudge sauce from Wild Tree, put it in the microwave for about 1 minute, and then poured it into the fondue pot just to keep it warm. Francine here is going to try to taste the strawberries with the chocolate sauce. She's got a great technique. She's only going to put them halfway into the chocolate, so she has chocolate and strawberry exposed. So Francine?
All right.
Now with strawberries, you know you can use them as a wonderful decoration on any dessert. I just did a segment on crepes previously to this, and that you can top with a strawberry. So how is it, Francine?
It's fabulous.
Well, all it is, chocolate and strawberries. How much easier could it get?